Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to flip object. So for example, you can insert the cube objects and I will change for the subdivisions in this cube like this. The next, you can use the face selections. I will select out this face and use the extrude face to extrude in the blue axis. If you done, you can use the selection tools. Now we can back to the object mode and then select the object. Now to duplicate or flip these objects, you can use the duplicate tools. You can go to edit, click duplicate spatial. So now you can go to P cube to here and you can change for scale here. Like in it, I will set into -1. So it will be automatically duplicate the flip the object. Now we can use the move tools to move like into here. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to flip object.